Howdy there, folks. This is Luke Charles Kuhn at Kuhn Truck and RV, your little RV specialist. Started by our mom and dad in 1976, we are proud to be a second-generation family-owned and operated business. My friends call me Luke, my sisters call me Charlie, and my 23 nieces and nephews call me Lukey Poo. But you can call me anytime at 440-OHIO-RVs. A member of our growing team would be happy to help you. Please check out our website at truckandrv.com to view all of our inventory. There's a direct link to this particular RV in the video description below. Follow that link for pricing and more information. Once this unit is sold, that link will be removed. We are a full-service dealer offering warranty as well as financing packages. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 440-OHIO-RVs. Again, that's 440-OHIO-RVS. For sale today, we have a 2004 Pleasureway Excel TS with 50,900 miles. Alrighty, folks, here we are inside of this 2004 Pleasureway Excel TS. What makes this a TS instead of a TD is this power sofa here in the rear that's going to go down and make two twin beds. The TD would have two permanent twin sleepers. As usual, I'm going to start in the front, work my way towards the rear. I'm going to do my best to give you a good idea of the overall floor plan as well as the overall condition of this unit. Got about 73.5 inches of headroom here in the main part of the coach. Mix of hard surface and carpet flooring. We have a table mount in the rear. We also have one up here in the front. Fantastic fan in the center of the coach. This will act like an attic fan at night and bring the cool outside air in. This runs on the coach battery system. It can also act as an exhaust fan if you're cooking or if there's moisture coming from the bathroom area behind this door that we'll check out in just a little bit. We have our air conditioner here in the back. This will run on the shore power plug-in or the generator. The controls are right on the unit itself. There's a thermostat over here that controls the propane furnace here. Easily accessible entryway. Fire extinguisher for safety. Spot here in the door, you can tuck some different things. Got this railing to help you get up and in. Got a light for this light overhead and also the porch light. Noxious gas detector. Water heater on off. This ignites itself. This runs on propane. Our generator start stop. This will provide you power just like you were plugged into shore power wherever you are if you're boondocking. This is a fresh service, fresh oil change by our certified owned and techs as 481 hours. Levels test for the gray, black, fresh coach battery and propane tanks. Do not consider these gospel. This will turn the water pump on off to pump the water out of the onboard freshwater tank. Got some spots up here. You can store some different little goodies that you might grab as you're heading out of the coach. Little Velcro spots there. You could stick something to. Nice backsplash, gonna help make things easy to clean if you're cooking in here. Got that 2-burner propane cooktop, little spice rack there. This window has a screen on the lower portion. Get you some airflow here in the kitchen. Single basin stainless sink. AC power on the front there, so you can plug your coffee pot or your air fryer in. That's our water pump down there. This is a 3-way fridge freezer. Got the freezer up top. Controls on the front of the unit. There's instructions in the bottom of the box. It's a 3-way, meaning it runs on AC power, so the shore power plug-in or the generator. DC, meaning the coach battery system, or propane gas. Different electrical connections down there. Wardrobe closet here to hang your jackets. We have a table here with a table leg. This board will span the gap back here to make up one big bed if you want to do that. We'll check the bed stuff out here in just a little bit. We have another smaller circular table behind the driver's seat. Microwave. This will work on the generator or the shore power plug-in only. Got a nice mirror here. Easily accessible bathroom area. A towel bar there. Pull the curtain around you to help contain the water. Got a medicine cabinet that you can open up here, put your shower gels, your different things that you want to take along with you. AC power here for your shaver, your curling iron, things like that. Got a spot here for your bathroom sink area. Got 3 drawers just like this. Some space down underneath the sink. So this is a wet bath. Everything's going to drain right here into the floor. Everything's going to happen inside this room. Not much of a step up and in at all, so it's very accessible. We have a window with a screen here, so you can use that for your stink vet to help get some airflow in here or help cool you off on a hot day. Moving now into the rear of this camper van, we have 2 seat belts on the rear sofa, 2 up front, so a total of 4 belts in this camper van. We have 1 screened window here in the back. to get you some airflow when you're sleeping or hanging out back here. This is our fuse panel. This has our AC breakers and our DC fuses. This is a good physical representation of the different power systems in this motorhome. AC power back here for your phone or whatever you'd like to plug in. Got privacy curtains throughout here in the back. Gonna go ahead and drop you a picture now to show what this looks like made up. You just push a button here, and it's gonna run this sofa down here to make 2 twin beds.
The twin beds measure approximately 72 inches north, south, or front to back, and 26 inches east, west, or side to side, and just a little shorter at 70 inches north, south on the passenger side. If you make up the big bed, it will measure approximately 66 to 72 inches north, south, or front to back, and 81 inches east, west, or side to side. There's additional storage in the compartments along the floor.
Why does the Grinch enjoy gardening? He's got a green thumb. The TV... Hello! Hello! How are you? How are you? I asked you first! I asked you first! I'm an idiot!
You're an idiot!
That was a close one. I was able to chase the Grinch back off to Whoville, but we're going to see if he makes another appearance here at Kuhn Truck and RV before Christmas 2023. Got our TV that swivels out to face the front. Both front seats swivel. You can face the back. However, the passenger seat's going to get a better position due to the steering wheel and the cabinet impeding the driver's seat. We have DC power here, so plug a cigarette lighter thing in here. Get some USB plugs, regular plugs, whatever you'd like to do with that. We have an amplifier here. The TV power goes through that, and the TV speakers are here in the back. The switch on the right will turn this whole TV setup on and off. Manuals and documentation. Nice specimen here, ready just in time for Christmas. This is one of our best-selling floor plans, really checks a lot of boxes for people looking for a camper van with good sleeping room, a nice bathroom, and everything you need for an RV adventure. I'm going to call this one an 8.5 out of 10. Check this one out at truckandrv.com. Kuhn Truck and RV, the best little RV dealer around since 1976 and home of the Grinch. I mean, the RV brothers. Up here in the cabin area, we have power windows, power locks, power mirrors, tilt cruise, and CD player. The upholstery is in nice condition. Privacy curtain you can pull all the way around the front here while you're parked to block off these windows. Not seeing any signs of smoking in the form of stains, burns, tears, no funny smells. The cigarette lighter's unused, so while it's tough to say for certain, I'm going to call this one a non-smoker. Alrighty, folks, we're going to go around the outside of this 2004 Pleasureway Excel TS. This RV measures 20.5 feet bumper to bumper with an 11-foot manual awning. The tires have 4619 date codes. This motorhome is built on a Ford E350 chassis with a 5.4-liter V8 engine with 50,900 miles. A pretty nice looking exterior on this one. A couple little boo-boos on the stripes here and there. Looking overall, it does show some age here and there. Porch light. Back of our refrigerator. Easy to access this motorhome, step up and in. Got the handle there to help you. This is our coach battery. Furnace exhaust. We have actual alloy rims on this one. 2 AC plugins, so you can plug things in beneath the awning. Got a nice storage space here. Air conditioner up top. Easily access this back space here for more storage beneath the rear sofa. A little stain there. Tow package. It's nice for bike rack or if you're towing something along with you for your adventure. We have our awning crank and center rafter. This is the fill for the onboard fresh water tank. This will travel wherever the RV goes. You'll use the water pump to get the water out of here. Back of our water heater. Another storage spot. This is a sewer hose storage. This can be difficult to use and to get the hose in that compartment. Got our fuel fill for our engine and our generator. Generator will stop running around a quarter tank. Outside shower, keep the mess outside of the RV. Some little spots here and there on the stripes. Still really nice looking, lots of shine left on this one. This is where our sewer will come out. You're gonna do the black first here, this handle, then you're gonna do the gray over here. Everything will come out of this same tube. We have coax in for if you have TV connection somewhere. This is our city water in. This will get the pressure from the hose running into the RV here. This is our 30 amp shore power connection. Propane tank, this is mounted to the unit. You'll turn that on and off here. This is our generator exhaust. Generator here. You can run that while you're driving, while you're parked, or whenever you'd like to. Very popular floor plan here at Kuhn Truck and RV. Check this one out at truckandrv.com. Kuhn Truck and RV, the best little RV dealer around since 1976 and home of the RV Brothers.